Hi guys, you're watching Tech Shots. In this video we are looking at Project Blaze custom ROM for POCO F1 based on Android 13. Watch full video as installation guide is at the end of the video. Let's look at the customization Project Blaze offers. Themes. Status bar customization. QS panel. Lock screen. Wallpaper and style. And more. Let's look at the camera. It's an AOSP based camera. Let's begin installation. Step 1, boot into TWRP recovery. Step 2, select Wipe Advanced Wipe, select Dalvik, Cache, System, System ext, Vendor, Data. Swipe to wipe. Step 3, click on Install, select Firmware, add more zips, select Custom ROM, select Magisk zip optional, swipe to install. Wait till the files get installed. Click on Wipe, select Format Data, type Yes, swipe to wipe. Click on Reboot. All links regarding custom ROM are in description. You have successfully installed Project Blaze on your POCO F1. Please like and subscribe for more video on POCO F1. Thanks for watching.